Welcome back to Easy Coding for Beginners. As always, my name is Sam and I'm glad that you've joined us in a new episode. In this particular episode, we are going to talk about the abbreviation tag. It's actually used to indicate an abbreviation. Before I continue, Nasha Moinket is the one who's actually responsible for what I'm wearing today. If you can see the Moran on this particular t-shirt, Nasha Moinket runs a YouTube channel called Kaulele TV that talks about culture, and she gifted me with this particular t-shirt. And I want you guys to go to her YouTube channel. It's called Kaulele TV. You can see just here on the screen, Kaulele TV. Subscribe, like her video, watch, share with people. Back to our practicals. In your PC, open our My First HTML Project.html. You can see on my Sublime text editor what I'm typing. So open the abbreviation tag by typing the less than sign, ABBR, which actually denotes the opening tag for the abbreviation. Then close it with the greater than sign. Type ECFB, as you can see on my screen. Just type ECFB. Then close the abbreviation tag by doing the less than sign / ABBR, then greater than sign. Now here's the gist of it. We've written the abbreviation itself. But when somebody is accessing the web page, how will they know the meaning of the abbreviation? So I want to introduce an attribute that works well with the abbreviation tag. So within the opening tag, the opening abbreviation tag, I want to go back just before the closing greater than sign, as you can see on my screen. Type space, then the attribute name title, title, is equals to double quotes. Within these double quotes, write Easy Coding for Beginners. So what I mean is, whenever you want to do an abbreviation, the title attribute is where you put the full meaning of that particular acronym or that particular abbreviation. So in our case, our abbreviation is ECFB, right? And the title attribute is where now we give the full meaning. So we'll say under the title attribute, we'll say Easy Coding for Beginners. But once you've closed the opening tag of the abbreviation, you'll type ECFB, as you can see on your screen. With that, save your document. Now go to your browser, as you can see on the right side of my screen. Access that HTML document on your browser. And if you see, if you've refreshed, on my end I'll refresh because I'd already opened it. But in your case, if you're not open it. Now you can see the ECFB on your browser written. So I want you to go and hover on it. Hovering means just taking your mouse on top of that word, on top of the abbreviation. So I want you to take your mouse on top of that abbreviation or hover on it. Let's see what is written. Whatever is written on when you're hovering on that particular abbreviation is the meaning of that particular abbreviation. So that is how you use the abbreviation tag. Sometimes you've seen in science projects and all that, people use abbreviations or acronyms, but some people might not know the meaning of those acronyms. So it's always good to use the abbreviation tag to be able to, especially for those people who don't know, so that when they're hovering on the abbreviation, they're able to know the actual meaning of that particular abbreviation. So it is my hope that you've learned one or two things. Till next time, kudos!